Hey guys, Rapid Stout 12 here, back at it again with another lighting video. And today I'm going to show you my vintage Sylvania 40 watt tubular incandescent bulb. So I got this bulb earlier this month from the store in Crystal River, Florida. So, as you can tell, this bulb is in the nice rainbow packaging with the blue background. It's all taped up, as you can tell, but here's a quick look at the packaging. Very basic. Made in the USA. Typical rainbow packaging. So we'll take off this tape and get a better look at the bulb. And here it is. It's a T8, I believe. And there is our very nice thin filament. Look at that, that's cool. Support with 3 little supports there, holding the filament in place. There's a little stem. And here is a little etch. It's rubbing away, but I'm assuming it would have said Sylvania 40 watt, 120 volt maybe. We'll try and get a better look at that for you. There we go. Yeah, too bad that etch is rubbing away. We have our base down here, which is just another one of those silver ones. And we have a black glass insulator. Well, we'll go ahead and take our socket over here and screw in this vintage Sylvania bulb. And I'll go turn off the lights. Well, it sure is dark in here. So, we'll turn on this bulb in 3, 2, 1. And there it is. And now it's much brighter in here. So, there is our lovely long filament in there. So, we'll go ahead and, without further ado, come up here and take a look at how well this bulb illuminates the area. So, as you can tell, it's lighting everything up very nicely, kind of like a linear fluorescent bulb would. Very nice light. Not very diffused, but that's okay for a bulb like this. So that was placed above everything. Now we'll place it to the side here, lighting out like a normal A19 bulb. And we definitely do get some good light that way too. Now you'll notice there's like a little dark spot there, and that is just the support there blocking the light. So that's why you have that. And you also have some smaller ones there as well. Not exactly sure where they're coming from, but probably some support in the bulb as well. Oh, it's those little ones coming off at the top there. That's what's causing those smaller little lines. But anyway, CRI, of course, typical incandescent 100 CRI. Nothing special there. but it is very good CRI. Of course, if you're leaving blue out of the picture, of course, then it's not so good with blue. But anyway, now I'm going to turn, actually no, we gotta dim this bulb. So we'll dim it down to as low as it goes. Now it's not really producing much of any light, but we do get a very nice view of the filament, especially in person. On camera it looks just very blurred out, but in person you can get a lovely view of that filament this way. Very cool. We'll crank it up to about 50%. It's producing some light, but not a lot. It's still got a very deep amber looking glow. This is probably about as high as I would go for filament viewing. Anything above this I think would be a little bit too bright. And then finally back up to full. So now we're going to turn this bulb off, and I'll go turn the lights back on. Alright, lights have been turned back on. And we'll unscrew this bulb. And there it is. Final look at it. Etch. And packaging. Well, there you have it for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time.